Hello everyone. In this video, we are discussing on how to address the challenges of people having cerebral palsy. What can we do? What do you think should be done? What mechanisms can be taken to cope up in case we identify that a child given birth to or an individual in the community has cerebral palsy? There are basically 5 ways we can help people having cerebral palsy. Number 1, early intervention. In this case, we should act as fast and as soon as possible and as fast as we can to combat other challenges that can come after we have identified that there is cerebral palsy in a child. For example, if a child is given birth to today, that's for example a 1-day neonate is identified to be having generalized yellowing of the body, then there is high need and high task of the health workers to take up possible interventions or preventing that child from developing cerebral palsy. And 2, there is high need of taking the possible healthy solutions to combat other challenges which may come with that child developing cerebral palsy. And this helps to minimize on the possible complications which can help in cases of early intervention. Number 2, supportive care. In the case we note that our child has cerebral palsy, then first of all, we as the family members need to take great support to the child. We must do territorial habits, love. We must offer the possible health care needed and also support that child in developing. Avoid stigma, fight stigma, and look for all the possible ways of supporting this young child into a better childhood, adulthood, and maturity. 3, assistive devices and technologies. Children having cerebral palsy always get challenges with their postures and their movements and coordination of joints due to having weak joints or weak general body parts. Therefore, we as health workers need to look for which device applicable and suitable for each child independently. For example, some children might need walking sticks to support them. Some children might need wheelchairs for them to help them in movement. 3, some children might need walking tables to help them in walking. Then, if all goes to the worst, others may really need our full support of carrying them from one place to another to enable movements. And also, remember, other medical mechanisms, for example, physiotherapy, can help improve the life of our children. And therefore, we as health workers need to assess each child independently and identify which device, which mechanism will help improve the life of that particular child. And number 4, inclusion in environments. This is certainly the biggest challenge. In Africa, there is big stigma concerning children having cerebral palsy. However, One of the best ways of having solutions to these children is by including them in social activities. For example, in games with other normal children. 2. Let them also go to school. For those who are having speech problems and other cognitive problems, can be taken in schools for special needs children. This helps mature, this helps develop their vocabulary. 2. Including them in the other social community activities helps in motivating them in clearing out depression that these children can develop due to being isolated. And 3. Isolating them, including them in social activities, helps fight the stigma that these children and the community might be having. And number 5, addressing and carrying out awareness programs against cerebral palsy. For example, this video I have posted it on my social media, and therefore I'm trying to fight cerebral palsy. I'm trying to inform people about cerebral palsy. I'm giving people about cerebral palsy can be managed. Cerebral palsy can be improved. Children having cerebral palsy need love, need care, and therefore we request that extensive knowledge, information should be extended to different populations in order to empower people with knowledge concerning cerebral palsy. Thank you and see you in our next video.